Hello friends, welcome to Solve Loop Quiz Challenge. Are you good at guessing country flags hidden inside visual illusions? In today's challenge, you'll test your observation skills with 68 hidden flags from around the world. Some flags will be easy to recognize, while others might trick your eyes. Pay close attention, look carefully, and see how many you can identify correctly. Can you find every hidden flag before the answer appears? Keep track of your score and share your final result in the comments below. Let's begin the challenge. Question of the day. Which country's flag do you think is the most recognizable? Tell us in the comments. Can you identify this hidden flag? United States. Which flag is hidden in this picture? United Kingdom. Look closely and name this flag. Canada. Can you spot this hidden flag? France. Which country's flag hides here? Germany. A hidden flag awaits. Can you name it? Japan. Can you recognize this flag today? Brazil. Which flag is hiding in sight? Australia. Can you identify this hidden flag? Italy. Which nation does this image represent? Spain. What's your score so far? Focus on identifying the hidden flag. Mexico. Can you solve this flag puzzle? India. Look beyond the image and name the flag. China. Which hidden flag do you see here? South Korea. Can you spot the hidden flag here? Indonesia. Guess which flag hides in this illusion. Russia. Which flag belongs in this image? Argentina. Can you decode this hidden flag? Netherlands. Guess the flag hidden in this illusion. Switzerland. What hidden flag can you find in this image? Norway. Take a look at this image and name the flag. Cameroon. Can you find the hidden flag in this image? Denmark. Which hidden flag blends into this image? Poland. Which hidden flag can you find in this image? Portugal. Guess the flag hidden in this illusion. Greece. What hidden flag can you find in this image? Turkey. Which country's flag is hidden in this image? Egypt. Guess which nation is represented in this image? South Africa. Which nation is represented by this illusion? Nigeria. Which country's flag is hidden in this image? Kenya. Can you identify this hidden flag at a glance? Saudi Arabia. Look closely at this image and uncover the flag. United Arab Emirates. Which flag is cleverly disguised in this image? Thailand. Can you find the flag hidden in this image? Vietnam. Score check. How many have you guessed correctly? Take a look at this image and name the flag. Philippines. Which hidden flag can you find in this image? Malaysia. Can you spot the hidden flag in this illusion? Singapore. Look deeper and identify the flag in this image. Pakistan. Guess which flag hides in this image illusion. Bangladesh. Take a look at this image and name the flag. Mali. Look beyond the image and name the flag. Ukraine. Which flag is secretly displayed in this image? Romania. Can you spot the hidden flag in this image illusion? Austria. Look carefully at this illusion and name the flag. Belgium. Which flag is hidden in these visual illusions? Finland. Can you identify this mystery illusion's flag? Ireland. Which flag is hidden in this optical illusion? Morocco. Which flag can you spot in this optical illusion? Ethiopia. Can you guess the flag hidden in this illusion? Ghana. Which country's hidden flag do you see here? Tanzania. Focus on the image illusion by identifying the flag. Chile. The hardest rounds start now. What's your score? Which country's flag do you see in this image? Peru. Can you spot the hidden flag in this optical illusion? Colombia. Which country's flag emerges from this hidden image? Venezuela. Look beyond the image and name the flag. Uruguay. What country's flag is displayed here today? Kazakhstan. Which country's flag is hidden behind this image? Mongolia. Can you name the country this flag belongs to? Nepal. Guess the flag disguised within this image. Sri Lanka. Which country's flag is hidden in this optical illusion? Myanmar. Can you identify the flag in this optical illusion? Cambodia. Which country flag emerges from this hidden illusion? Laos. Which country's flag is hidden in this optical illusion? Fiji. Can you uncover the country in this flag challenge? Papua New Guinea. Can you identify this hidden flag through observation? New Zealand. Which flag can you spot at a glance? Oman. Can you identify this hidden flag in this image? Zimbabwe. Final challenge. What flag is hidden in this image? Bhutan. Congratulations on completing the Guess the Hidden Flag by Illusion Challenge. How many flags did you identify correctly out of 68? Whether you're a geography expert or just playing for fun, every challenge helps sharpen your observation skills and expand your knowledge of the world. Share your score in the comments below, and let us know which flag was the most difficult to recognize. Please, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.